for lesson 9, we have uses and meaning of puede. So, puede, okay, puede ka na ba? So, when you say puede ka na ba, are you free now? Are you available now? But sometimes it has another meaning. So, green knee thing like that. So, you say, but that's the word puede. When you say pue, just like, oh, you're so disgusting, you say pue. Okay, it's also a bad expression. And then you say puet, puet. Okay, you spell it like this or this one, it means your butt. Or puet, your puet, like that. So puede, okay, you say puede. That is when you mean available, someone is free, can be possible. But when you say pue, you're mad into something, and then the puet, that's another thing. So in Filipino, you have to say it correctly. Otherwise, you may say a different thing that may offend someone else. So when you say pwede ako ngayon, pwede ako ngayon. So I am free today, I am available now. I can do whatever I want. Possible for me to do other things today. Pwede ako ngayon. You say pwede ako ngayon. And when you add particle, pwede daw, someone said pwede, and then you just repeated it. So you say pwede daw. Okay. Another, pwede kaya. Okay, remember the word kaya. I wonder if. So you're thinking if that is possible. Pwede kaya? When you will ask someone just like in a polite way, you use the word pwede. In English, it could be kindly. Okay, please, can you? Okay, pwede. Pwede kaya? Okay, that is in a nice way. When you're asking someone like, can you do this? Can you help me? Pwede kaya? Okay, you can add this question. It's like you're asking if this person will help you or will give you a favor. You're asking. So, you ask, pwede kaya? Pwede kaya? Okay. Another, that's negative. You say, oh, hindi pwede. Cannot be, not possible. Oh, hindi pwede. When someone will say, oh, do you think we can have our trip or flight today? Oh, hindi pwede. Cannot be, not possible. So, hindi here, that is to negate or to negate something. Another, hindi ka pwede. When you're saying hindi ka pwede to somebody else, you're telling her or him that you are not free, you are not capable to do something. This thing is not for you. Hindi ka pwede. Okay. Another is when you are somewhere and then you are lost or you want to ask something, you say, pwede magtanong. Or you can say, pwede po magtanong. Okay. So you have this po. And then you can simply say, pwede magtanong. Another, when someone will ask you something and then you mean it's possible, yes, this can be, okay, you can say pwede ito. This thing will fit this one, can be possible to do for this thing. So you say pwede ito. Okay. And then when you say, oh, I'm not available, I'm not for that thing, hindi ako pwede. Hindi ako pwede today, hindi ako pwede mag-flight tomorrow, hindi ako pwede mag-drink ng vodka, okay? Hindi ako pwede mag-vacation, so you say, I'm not possible for me to do this thing, so you say, hindi ako pwede. And then we have this pue, this is like spitting, that is a bad action. Okay, so I hope you know how to use the word pwede. Actually, it has many uses, but in this lesson, we only discuss the meaning of pwede as can be or possible.